Now let's start with another topic, that is non-adaptive routing algorithms. The non-adaptive routing algorithm is a kind of algorithms which is not dynamic in the nature. So non-adaptive routing algorithm is also known as the static routing algorithm. So if any question is coming that is going to ask about the static routing algorithm, then you have to explain about the non-adaptive one. And similarly, if any question is coming which is going to ask about the dynamic routing algorithm, then you have to explain about the adaptive routing algorithm. So non-adaptive routing algorithm is also known as the static routing algorithm. When booting up the network, the routing information is stored to the routers as which will be the shortest path. Now, how that particular routing algorithm will going to decide that? In order to decide that thing, we need to maintain some database where we can store the all possible routes for that particular destination, and whatever will be the shortest one, we are going to deliver that packet on that particular route. So non-adaptive routing algorithms do not take the route decision based on the network topology or the network traffic. As in, it is very, it is very interesting to ask about what do you mean by the adaptive routing algorithm and the non-adaptive routing algorithm, and what is the basic difference between the adaptive one and the non-adaptive one. So let's discuss about this, as we can define it like, what is the basic definition of adaptive routing algorithm? Adaptive routing algorithm is an algorithm that construct the routing table based on the network condition. Whatever will be the network condition, it will adopt that particular condition. In non-adaptive routing algorithm is an algorithm that construct the static table to determine which node to send the packet. Static table, it is basically its working is basically based on the static table. We need to maintain the static table by which we can take some decision that on which particular route we have to transfer the data. Uses: adaptive routing algorithm is used by dynamic routing, and while it is also used for the static routing. Now, how routing decisions will be takes place in adaptive routing algorithm? Routing decisions are made based on the topology and the network traffic. Whatever will be the topology, as this is the ring, star, mesh, and anything, whatever will be the topology and whatever will be the network traffic, we have to take the decision based on these parameters. While in the non-adaptive one, we are going to take the decision based on the static table that we are available at our end. Now, what do you mean by the categorization? The type of adaptive routing algorithm are centralized, isolation, and the distributed algorithm. Again, we can subdivide the adaptive routing algorithms into the three categories. The types of adaptive routing are the centralized, isolation, and the distributed. So there are basically three categories we are going to use in the adaptive algorithm: centralized, isolation, and the distributed algorithm. Now, non-adaptive routing algorithm is a type of non-adaptive routing algorithm are flooding and the random walk. So non-adaptive algorithms are basically two types. One is called flooding and another is called the random walk. Now, what do you mean by the complexity? In terms of complexity, as we have to take decision randomly, we have to take watch on the topology used, we have to take watch on how much network traffic will be going on. So it is a very difficult task and it is a very complex task. So that's why adaptive routing algorithm is basically the algorithms which is complex as compared to the non-adaptive, while the non-adaptive algorithms are simple because we are using only a one single parameter, that is called the static table.